Let's take a look at the new Job Statuses feature. This new feature lets you quickly see the current status of a job and allows you to quickly determine those that are on schedule and those that may be at risk. The status of each job can be viewed at a glance on the Maintain Jobs window and in the Jobs List window. Additionally, job reports also list a job status as well. However, note that on job reports, color coding will not be available. To create or modify statuses, enter job defaults from the Maintain menu or click Customize Job Status in Maintain Jobs. To add a new status, click the Add New button, enter a status name, and then select one of the available stoplight colors. Click Save and the new status becomes available in the status drop-down in the Maintain Jobs window. To edit an existing status, just select it in the list and it will become available to edit. Note that except for changing which status is the default status, if you change or delete an existing status, jobs with the assigned status will be updated to reflect the status change or deletion. And last but not least, Peachtree Complete 2011 and above increases the amount of detail that you can keep about a job by expanding the job notes area from 255 characters to 2,000 characters. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning topic. For information on additional training options available, visit us at sageu.com.